and welcome back to Painting with Peedee. I'm going to be your host, Peedee, later on this week to bring to life this landscape painting. Now, you're probably going to see a sped up version somewhere in this corner over here, seeing it start to finish in a sped up version. This class is so fun. It is a little bit of a longer class, so you might need to split it into two parts, or maybe you have a Saturday afternoon or an evening where you can just sit down and do it. Biggest thing is have fun with this class. Don't be afraid to use different colors if you want to. Give yourself grace. We also are going to have a list of materials somewhere on this video for you to take a look at. So buckle in, have fun, and we'll see you later this week.